Hey everyone, welcome to the BitExcell YouTube channel, your one-stop hub for all things coding, digital skills, and career growth. Today, we're diving into one of the most asked beginner questions. Which programming language should I learn in 2025? Let's break it down based on what's hot, what's easy, and what's future-proof. Now, don't just randomly pick a language because it sounds cool. Let's talk goals first. Do you want a job? Build an app? Automate stuff? Because depending on your answer, the right language can seriously boost your journey. So stick around. We've got some gems lined up. First up, we've got the GOAT for beginners, Python. It's readable, beginner-friendly, and used everywhere. From data science to automation, machine learning to web apps, Python is a powerhouse. Companies like Google, Instagram, and even NASA use it. And so can you. Want to build skills fast? Start here. Next, JavaScript. If you had ever thought, I want to build a website, JavaScript is your guy. It brings websites to life and also works behind the scenes with tools like Node.js, Facebook, YouTube, Netflix, all powered by JavaScript. And trust me, web developers are in crazy demand right now. Want to build apps that end up on someone's iPhone or Android? Go with Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android. They are clean, modern, and designed for app building from the ground up. And if mobile apps are your passion, these are 100% worth your time. If you have mastered some JavaScript, TypeScript is the upgrade. It adds safety, structure, and makes your code way easier to scale. Which is why most serious dev teams use it today. Here are some honorable mentions. C# for game dev with Unity Go, Golang for high-performance backend systems, SQL if you love working with data and databases. These might not be day one picks, but they're awesome as you level up. So, what should you learn in 2025? Start with Python if you're completely new. Go with JavaScript if web is your thing. Pick Swift or Kotlin if you want to build mobile apps, and try TypeScript or go as you grow, whatever path you choose. Just start. Because the best time to learn was yesterday, and the second best is right now. If this helped, don't forget to hit like, share this with your coding buddies, and subscribe to BitExcell for more beginner-friendly tech content every week. Let us know in the comments. Which language are you learning in 2025? Catch you in the next one. Happy coding!